Hey guys, this is Subhash Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn how to generate HTML report with screenshots in Protractor. Report generation is very important when you are doing the automation testing as well as manual testing. By looking at the result, you can easily identify how many test cases are passed, failed, or skipped. You will come to know what is the status of your project. So if there are any failures, you will able to investigate further by looking at the logs or screenshots. So Protractor supports different reporting tools. Some of the Protractor reporting tools are like Jasmine reports, Protractor Beautiful Reporter. Today we'll learn about Protractor Beautiful Reporter. Let's see how we can implement that in our project. First thing, we need to install Protractor Beautiful Reporter. So let's see how to do that. Open Google and search for Protractor Beautiful Reporter tool. Reporter, you can type npm. You can search for Protractor Beautiful Reporter npm. So you can click on this fast link. So this is the official website of Protractor Beautiful Reporter. Here you will find all information about this Protractor Beautiful Reporter. Here you can see the sample report, how it looks when you implement it, how your report will look. Then we can see there is one important information like Jasmine 1 is no longer supported. Then we can see here different features like browser log, stack trace, screenshots only on file spec, search, filters, inline screenshots, details, duration. So all these are features. We'll see how to implement these features. Then here we have the options like how to use it. Here you can see Jasmine 1.x is no longer supported, Jasmine 2.x is supported, and Protractor by default supports Jasmine. And this is the command how to install Protractor in your system, and these are the configurations. So we'll see all details. First let's see how we can install in our machine. So let's install this package on our machine. First you need to find location of the Protractor in your system. If you are a Mac user, open your Finder and then press Command Shift and G. Here you can see user local lib, or you can just type exact user then slash local then slash lib and then click on go. Inside the lib folder you can see one node modules. So in this node modules you will see Protractor, and inside this Protractor we have to install this Protractor Beautiful Reporter. So to do that, what you can do is open your terminal. So in this terminal, what I'll do is I'll write cd and I want to go to this location. So I'll be here. Then let's copy this command. I will use sudo before to that. So it's getting installed. So here you can see there are few warnings. That should be fine, but you should not get any errors. There are 3 packages are looking for funding. That's fine. You can ignore these things. Warnings are also fine. You can ignore. Once it is installed, go to your Finder again, and inside Protractor you can see one more node module. So inside this node modules, you can search for Protractor Beautiful Reporter. So let me see, here it is. So this is installed properly in our machine. Now let's go to our Visual Studio Code and update our conf.js file. If you are finding this Protractor Beautiful Reporter means it is installed properly. So before to conf.js, here is the configuration. So what we will do is we need to do this configuration first in our conf.js file. Let me copy this and let's go to our Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, let's go to the conf file. So in conf file, here you can see we are exporting the config. So export config code is here. So before to that, you can put this line. So let me add it here. In the first line, I have added, and in this inside the export config, we'll add this code. You can go to here, you can see your different configs. In the end, you can put a comma here and add this piece of code. So here you can see one base directory. So this base directory is nothing but where your reports or screenshots will get generated. You can keep the same name, or similarly you can create a folder here, or you can change this name also. For now, let me change the name to reports. I'll change the name to reports. So all our reports will get generated inside this. To do that, what I need to do is I need to again create a similar folder, like however we have conf folder, pages folder, test case folder. I should have one more folder named as reports. So to do that, let's create one new folder and name it as reports. So your folder is also created. Now let's execute our test case. To do that, let's go to terminal, new terminal, and here we'll write protractor conf.js. Let's execute it. You can see your test case got executed successfully. Once it is executed, you can go to your report folder. Inside your report folder, you can see different files got created, including one report.html. So let's open it in the browser and see how it is looking. Let me double click on this. So here you can see the report. This is the report which got generated. This is what is fast protractor suit. So this is your the suit name which you have given in your test case. So you will see, right, go to your super calculator form, and here what we have given, fast protractor suit. So this is what you are seeing here. This is your suit name, and here you are seeing the status. What is the test case status? It is passed, and how much time it took, 6.0 second. Then description, identifying the fast text box. Whatever description we have given here, that is coming. If you will change this description, it will also get changed here. Then browser, whatever the browser we have used. Then what is session ID, OS, then message, then logs, then this is the screenshot. So if you click on this, right, you will see the screenshot. This is the page where test got performed. So this is the screenshot. So you got all these details, and with your screenshots, it will go to the particular location, right, your project location. So this is the report. Inside report, you can see the screenshots. Inside screenshots, you see this png file. You will open this, you can find it also here, or you can open it through the browser also. If you go to the Protractor Beautiful Reporter official website, here you can see the different options available, right? So you can see screenshot subfolder. It is optional. If you'll add this piece of code, so you can add some different folder also. subfolder also. You can store all images in subfolder by using screenshot subfolder option. You can add this part to your code. Again, here also JSON subfolder. You can store all JSONs in subfolder by using JSON subfolder option. You need to add this piece of code, this line. Similarly, you have sort function. You have exclude report for skip test cases. If you are skipping some test cases, you don't want report for them, you can use it. You can set exclude skip specs to true to exclude reporting skipped test cases entirely. Then screenshots for skip test cases. Then screenshots only for failed test cases. If you want screenshots when your test case is getting failed, then in that case you can use this. Then you can disable all screenshots. If you want no screenshots at all, then you can use these things. You can use add title for the HTML report. You can define a document title for the HTML report generated using the doc title. So let's see if we can use this. So here what I will do is, so just comma and add it. So here remove this comma, extra comma was there. So we'll name it as reporting tutorial, something like that. And let's execute it. Once it is executed, let's see. You can refresh this, and inside reports, let's open it. So we will in Finder. So here you can see the header, whatever header we gave, it came here. So these are the different features which you can use and you can implement in your code, whatever you need. Here you can change HTML report file name. You can change the file name also. If you will use index.html or something like that, you can do that. So go through all this document, you will find whatever you need for your project, you can implement same. Thank you. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.